Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up for old Redbone, North Carolina on the Stryker SR-955. Redbone got your radio truckerized here for you. It's all my mods. You've seen the videos, you know what's packed in this joker. Take you from a 70-watt radio to what you're about to see. Let's get right to it. Start with the RF power all the way down. 50-watt slug. There's your 2 watts all the way down. That's in case you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. Ready to roll it all the way up, 20 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, audio. About 45 bird average. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello, 115 PEP. Alright, Mr. Redbone, we're going to get it over to you. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.